And all you get from Daloy, keep on asking question, what it is, what is that, but it's like teaching a kid for the first time in his life. If he's not coming with me, he'll never be able to come here or taste what it is in this one. Look at him, keep looking around. What I'm trying to show you is this shop here inside the food court is only selling Filipino snacks. So I'm showing this to my foreign viewers because when you come here in the Philippines, you want to try some of our Filipino snacks, and this is one place that you can get it. We are here in SM Food Court because we're trying to go to S Park Mall, but we can't park, so we end up parking here in SM City. So it reached lunchtime, so we have to stop for lunch, and it's the first time that Daloy is here in SM City, and the first time that he ever tasted steamed rice. So I have to teach him that you have to mix the rice, and then teach him that this is butchi and that's siomai. So you can see how awed he is and scared of the place because it's his first time to come here. So we're having Chinese for a quick lunch so we can go by a public transport to our destination for vlogging today. So you can see that the whole food court is full up with people. And all you get from Daloy, keep on asking question, what it is, what is that, but it's like teaching a kid for the first time in his life. If he's not coming with me, he'll never be able to come here or taste what it is in this one. Look at him, keep looking around. So we're having the same. This is Joji's Painitan Central. In Joji's Painitan Central. Now I'll show you some of the things that you need to try. Like this Bingka Special. It's only 25 pesos each. But the Bingka Special is a rice cake glazed with coconut caramel on top. And you got a puto bugas. Again, a rice cake, but just plain steamed rice. Like the rice is being grounded into a flour and then it's steamed. And this is puto balanghoy, another cake made of cassava but steamed up and with coconut on top. Then we have this dinumugan. This is just like another rice recipe with coconut and sugar, and it's got coconut like filling on the middle. And this is the budbud balanghoy, 25 pesos each. It's the cassava version of that dinumugan. Instead of using rice, they're using cassava. And you got the plain budbud, which is just sticky rice in coconut and a little bit of ginger, so it's a bit minty. And of course, I think it's common, the banana cake. Another thing I want to show you is this bingka. This is the common bingka, which is just flour rice with coconut and then with sugar on top. So you can see this is the bingka common, and that's the Bingka Special. So it's a white ground rice with coconut and with glazed caramel coconut sugar on top. And this is just the plain one. So you got the linusak, which is a different kind of banana that's not ripe. They're cooked and then mashed together with coconut and sugar. And this is the puto maya, which is the steamed sticky rice The version the same with the budbud. The budbud is just the long version, and this is the cup version. And the peachy peachy. Peachy peachy is a snack made of glutinous rice flour when dipped in sugar and grated coconut. You got the kuchinta, another Filipino favorite. In fact, it's been sold around by some vendors in the market. So it's also made of glutinous rice flour. And you got the palitaw, which is glutinous rice boiled in water on top. So it's called palitaw because it's rice above, floating above. And it's deep in grated coconut and sugar. This is the cassava cake. I think, of course, you're familiar with this one because cassava cake with glazed coconut caramel on top. And this is the biko, another rice cake with caramel, cooked so with using sticky rice, and it's cooked so sticky. And you got the sapin sapin. Sapin sapin is different kind flavored coconut and what's called using rice flour and then with coconut and different flavor. You got the ubi, the cheese flavor, and the mango flavor, all on top of one another. So it's sapin sapin, like put on top of one another. So there's three kinds that you can see there. And they have the puto maya. The puto maya is glutinous rice steamed with coconut, and then they rolled it up because it's called the roll puto maya. They rolled it up and put some grated coconut caramel on the middle. And also they also have native hot chocolate while you're at it. And also they're selling it by boxes, like you can see here. It's ready to go for you to try. That's the kuchinta. And it's got 6 pieces each for the box. That's the palitaw. All the things I have shown you. The banana cake. The sapin sapin, which is that one there on the bottom. This is the cassava cake. And that's the biko. So I'm just showing you the different Filipino snacks that you can try when you come here in the Philippines. So the bingka, the budbud, which is in Tagalog, it's called suman. But in the Visayan language, we call it budbud. Bingka is bibingka in Tagalog. Then the palitaw, the peachy peachy, kuchinta, inusak, which is the banana, not the ripe banana, but it's the different kind of banana cooked while it's still green. So you can also have some of the rice cake that's steamed, like this puto balanghoy. They sell that in steam, like so you can see it on their steam oven there. That you can order it hot. And then you have the native chocolate. It's not your local chocolate, but it's made of native chocolate, different. So that's the name of the place.